YouTube, as you see that we are all finished. Chef Makiah has did a wonderful job of these 2 loaded potatoes and this, I can just smell this deliciousness of these Brussels sprouts. So what are we naming these?
Brussels sprout with a orange cranberry glaze.
This is the loaded sweet potato with a little bit of a southwestern type of style to it. Then we have our classical, of course, just loaded russet potato. And of course, all of this is 100% vegan, right? So we can go ahead and just cut these in half, and we're gonna do our taste test now. I'll take that one. I'll take this one. And guys, I am starving. Like, I've been waiting to eat. Ate a very light breakfast because I know this is going to be a lot of food. Should we put both of the potatoes on there, or are we going to do it one by one?
Yeah, we do it
one by one. Okay.
Yeah, try it out.
Oh man, here goes the test.
That's what's up.
It tastes real good. You know what I will say? I am surprised with the
Bacon bits.
no, not even the bacon bits, the sour cream. How strong that came out, right?
It's very similar to the real thing.
It's well seasoned, man. Like, this is just real good.
That was you, man.
Dude, that was real good, bro. That's all me. It was a salt and pepper. It's way better than the Wendy's baked potato. This is good. You eat the skin of your potato or no?
No. It actually worked out really well.
Right?
Yeah. It was better than I was expecting.
Really?
Yeah. First thing we did is we took it, washed it, poked holes in it, wrapped it with some foil, put it in the oven on about 425, 450. We let it ride for probably about 45 minutes. We went ahead and cut it open. We used a vegan butter product, and then we went ahead and added a sour cream, vegan sour cream product, and a green onion product. And then we went ahead with the carrot bacon that Randall had brought up to my attention, and we chopped that up like bacon bits, and we went ahead and topped that with it.
On to the next potato. Cut that baby away. Golly. I'm excited. I ain't gonna last. God, it's so good. I'm gonna have to pick some up first before we go ahead and dive in. So this, cuz, how do we prep this?
Pretty much the same way. We went ahead, poked holes in it, wrapped it in foil. Of course, make sure you wash your potato first. Then we went ahead and we added black beans, avocado, cilantro, green onion, a little bit of red onion, and a little bit of tomato. And then we went ahead and topped it with a vegan sour cream product, a vegan butter product, and a vegan cheese.
And also the carrot, the vegan bacon that we made. And oh, you just took out the whole thing. I like that concept too as well. Take it off the whole skin. All right. There's so much going on. It's like, oh my goodness.
It has a southwestern flavor to it. You know.
Wow.
A lot of freshness.
What's the first thing you taste when you taste it?
Man, I'm getting a lot of the onion, a lot of the fresh green onion, and the cilantro. And that's what's really popping off to me. It also has a nice buttery flavor to it. Nice creamy texture.
This is real bomb. I ain't gonna lie, this turned out way better than what I thought it was going to.
The beans complement it a lot. Even with the texture.
I was about to say the beans.
Yeah.
Shout out to Goya. Shout out to Goya. Very delicious.
This was better.
Yeah, definitely better than the other potato for sure.
Yeah.
I know my body's on the inside like, yes!
I
You brought all the goodies today. The Brussels sprouts. Go ahead and pour or whatever, take out what you want. I'm just go ahead and just dig in because we really got mess with it like we did the potatoes. Yeah? That's it?
Mm-hmm.
Mmm. Mmm.
Got the nice almond flavor. Got that sweet, rich orange flavor. And
Yeah, so explain to people the process of making these Brussels sprouts. It wasn't just we just cut them and just, you know, just threw them in the oven.
And then we use the vegan butter. Sauteed some onions. Got the flavor of the onions caramelized. Went ahead through the Brussels sprouts and sauteed those. Went ahead and added some water. Steamed them up a little bit. Got some color. At the very end, we threw in some sliced almonds.
Craisins.
And then we went ahead and we made a orange cranberry sauce. And we added some butter. We took some cranberries. We had some orange zest. We sauteed that up, got the flavor going. We added in some pepper, some smoked paprika, a little bit of salt, and some agave.
So good, dude. I love Brussels. Little small cabbage patches.
It came out perfect.
Mmm. I would have loved these as a kid, but I never knew. Like I said, watching cartoons, Brussels sprouts, kids hate Brussels sprouts, so I'm gonna stay away from it.
Well, a lot of people too stick with the same traditional style and how they grew up cooking. You can easily transition from how you grew up cooking to vegan style if you just look for the right product.
Looking up the right product and experimenting too. It was 380 degrees. We put it in there twice. The first time put it in there for, was it 5 minutes? And then afterwards, we took some out, left some in there and let it recook for about additional another 3 minutes just to give it a more of a texture. To be honest, let's go ahead and just taste that sis. I'll just eat it. Bacon. Now, my honest opinion, these are good. Bacon? Not yet. But maybe a different way of cooking it could have made it. And I think the only thing is very like a texture. The texture of it is not there, but some parts are crunchy, some parts are burnt, so you gotta just be careful. I think with this bacon, it's just a hit and miss, or just whatever type of methods you use. We use the air fryer. I've seen some people, you put it on a skillet. I've seen some people just throw it in the oven. Tabitha Brown, when she did her video, she used the air fryer. So that's what I did. I used the air fryer because she did, and I like the way how her actual carrots came out. We let this sit in the mix that Makiah had made. The longer we let it sit there, I noticed that the carrots did absorb the wet ingredients more, and it had the more of the ripple effect even before I put it in the air fryer. So the looks of it and everything, the texture, the color, looks like bacon, like straight up. And you guys will see also on the B-roll footage how good it looks. The taste, oh, it's not there, but it's not bad though either though. It's not bad at all. So, and it wasn't that expensive to make either. It's carrots and a few ingredients, right? Yeah, it's so good.